Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can save a Google Sheet into your desktop. So let's go quick into the process. So we need first to open our Google Sheets. So I have this in my Windows. So in your case, just simply open your document. Now, once you are in your Google Sheet, you will find this File tab, which is the very first tab right here at the top. Click on the File tab and then scroll to the bottom and you will find the print option, or you can directly press Ctrl P for the shortcut. And here you can have the page orientation if you want it landscape or portrait, so it's up to you. Now I'm just going to go with landscape. Then you can also change the paper size from here, so it's up to you. You could choose A4, and then next to that, just simply click on the next button. And here you will find the destination. Click on this drop down arrow and you have this option save as PDF. Click on that. Then click on the save button. And then this window will appear. Simply choose desktop. And then for the file name, it's up to you. Document. And then save as type. Click on this drop down arrow and just simply choose this one and click on save. Now once done, we need to close this and let's see in the desktop. As you can see, we have here the Google Sheets. Open it and that's it. That's how you can easily save your Google Sheets on desktop. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.